Our teeth are constantly undergoing processes of demineralization and remineralization. Demineralization occurs when acids from foods, drinks, or bacteria erode the enamel, while remineralization is the natural repair process where minerals are restored. The good news is that you can support and even boost the remineralization process with the right strategies. First and foremost, diet plays a crucial role. Consuming foods rich in calcium, phosphate, and vitamin D is essential. Calcium, found in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milks, helps rebuild enamel. Phosphate, present in meats, eggs, and nuts, works alongside calcium to fortify teeth. Vitamin D, obtained from sunlight exposure in foods like fatty fish and fortified cereals, aids in the absorption of these minerals. Limiting sugar and acidic foods is equally important. Sugars feed harmful bacteria in your mouth, producing acids that erode enamel. Similarly, acidic beverages like sodas, citrus juices, and even wine can weaken your teeth. Drinking water or rinsing your mouth after consuming such items can reduce their impact. Oral hygiene is another critical factor. Brushing your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste strengthens enamel and promotes remineralization. Fluoride, often found in drinking water and dental products, plays a key role by integrating into the enamel structure, making it more resistant to acid attacks. Consider using a remineralizing toothpaste or a fluoride rinse for added protection. Saliva is one of your body's natural tools for remineralization. Staying hydrated ensures optimal saliva production, which helps neutralize acids and deliver minerals to your teeth. Chewing sugar-free gum can also stimulate saliva flow, enhancing this protective mechanism. Finally, for severe cases of demineralization, professional treatments are available. Dentists can apply fluoride varnishes, gels, or even calcium phosphate pastes to help repair enamel. They may also recommend treatments like dental sealants to protect vulnerable areas of your teeth. In conclusion, while enamel cannot regenerate once completely lost, remineralization can repair early damage and prevent further deterioration. By eating a mineral-rich diet, avoiding harmful foods, maintaining good oral hygiene, and considering professional care, you can actively support your teeth's health. Your smile will thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Have a question or topic you'd like us to explore with AI? Comment below.